Guys, grabe ka busy dahil sa kusina guys. Ayan. Busy ang kusina guys. Nakagawa na ako ng sauce. Pang suyok sauce. Ayan siya guys. Ayan na. Ayan pang suyok natin. Ayan siya. Ayan guys, ang suyok. So nice. This is spicy and regular. And guys, sauce and soup. Ay, soup. For reals. For reals. And spicy and regular and hi guys, bye. Thank you for watching.